Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down exactly what you need to get started, whether you're launching a detailing business or just want your car looking pro level clean. No fluff, no gimmicks, just the core products that actually matter. By the end, you'll know exactly what to have on hand and why each item counts. So let's jump in. So when it comes to pressure washers, I actually started with a Karcher Professional. It was perfect for starting out, mobile and reliable, and it lasted me about a year in business. But if you want to go fully pro, I'd recommend the Big Boy mkII. In my experience, it's one of the best in the business. So when I reference consumer grade equipment or let's say products, it's more stuff that you can just buy pretty much on Amazon or at your auto parts store, very easily available. So I'll go over that stuff first, and then another video go over the professional grade stuff. It's more expensive, but does definitely get the job done way better than consumer grade stuff. Now, when it comes to products, you've probably seen me use chemical guys a lot in my videos. Honestly, they're great. Just know it's consumer grade gear. For professional work, I use pricier pro grade stuff, but I know many of you ask for affordable options, and honestly, chemical guys is a brand I really love. They're budget friendly and super easy to find. I'll put links to all of these products I've mentioned down in the description. They are affiliate links, so if you'd like to support the channel, using those links really helps me out. Thanks in advance and happy detailing.